Hello, Nathan.
Oh.
What sort of cereal do you have there?
Oh, it is pet farm, especially for dogs. It's a human cereal, and it's not really for dogs.
That's a weird sounding cereal.
Yeah.
Lachlan, what do you think about the cereal?
What I think about the cereal is the best.
It's the best? Yeah. Pour us a bowl. Let's see what's in your cereal.
In cereal?
Let's pour it.
Pour the whole bowl. Shake it.
Oh, okay.
Get some more.
Is the prize stuck? Reach your hand in there. Pull out the prize. Look at that. What's in our prize?
It's marshmallows.
Man, that's so much better than regular Lucky Charms, isn't it?
Yes.
What do you think, Lachlan?
Great.
Great. What do you think, Nathan?
I think we should eat some.
Are these better than Lucky Charms?
Yep.
What's the name of your cereal again?
The name of your cereal?
Yes.
Pet
Tell
farm, especially for dogs. It's a human cereal. Pet farm, especially for dogs.
Especially for dogs.
Yeah.
Ruff.
I'm really, really.
Not for you.